Rijang. Serafico, 2 points. Number 27. Basket is good for number 16, Sumera. All 2. Number 71, ready to shoot. Mangabat, Serafico. Rebound Kiambao. In the middle, the big guy, Kuboy. Kiambao, 12 to shoot. Malas, Sumera. Rayos.
Grabe. Alam mo, open league to eh. Then.
Number 27, number 9, number 16. Basket good from Sumera. Back basket from Sumera. Making the carry.
Malalaki pa rin. Tama yan. Tama yan tayo, tama yan.
12 to shoot. Sa gitna. Fakes. 7 to shoot. Way out right. Number 27, Nika, Sumera. Sumera fakes, kick out. Rayos. Rayos. 3! 10 to 2, our official tally under 8 minutes.
Lalaki eh.
Gui, natapikan, Kevin ng Sumera. Kiambao. Number 71. To number 5, sa ilalim at the post. Tumi. No. Sumera. 1-on-1. Late na rin. Mangabat. Stutter. Cross court. Serafica. In and out. Rebound Kui. No. Rebound Rayos. Kiambao fakes. Sa gitna. Kuboy. To number 9. Rebound Sumera. What a move. 2 points for Sumera. 14 to 2. A dozen point lead for Team Totolite. 15 to 2. Number 0. But there is a foul on number 27, Rayos. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for number 0. In and out on the second, splits the charity, 1 out of 2. 14 to 3, our official tally. Kiambao. Rayos. Short. Nakuha ni Buboy. Buboy 2 points. 14 to 3. Mangabat. Serafico. 13 to shoot. Sa ilalim, good pass, 2 points. Number 71. 16 to 5. Kiambao. 19 to 5. With 5 minutes and 38 in our first quarter. Brazil. Ang Brazil. Nangaman. Tui. Wala. Rebound Bukoy. Bukoy. Yabao. Yabao.
May kondisyon.
Yabao.
Kondisyon.
Number. Rebound Rayos. Sa kabila. Yabao. Another one? No. Here's number 5. Cool. Wala. Let's go.
Pastor mo, Toy. Change 5. Change 5.
Change
Change
players,
5.
both teams.
Mga kondisyon.
Lahat.
Lahat kondisyon. Bossing, huwag ka dyan, bossing. Baka masagi ka.
Number 8. Sandali. Nabasa ang basa. Number 7. Number 7. Runner. In and out. Here's number 8. Dula. Over to number 10. Back to number 8. 13 to shoot. Turnover. Number 1, Lasante. Andaya. Spins. Heading. Shoot.
Foul number
But there is a
10.
loose ball foul on number 10.
First.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 14 on the shot clock.
Sa amin lang yun, bossing. Sa amin lang.
Andaya, number 92. Malakas. Rebound, number 24.
Jump ball. Paganahin mo. Ayusin mo yung wire.
Castillo. 24 to 5. Lazarte. Cross court. Number 7. 13 to shoot. Lazarte. In and out. Here's number 10. Number 8. Back to number 10. Number 24. Number 8. 13 to shoot. Castillo. Well, that two is good from number 24. 26 to 5.
Pilitin mo, ayusin mo dyan.
Andaya. Traveling violation. Dula. Saya na number 10. Back to Dula. 13 to shoot. Short. Andaya. Lead pass. Turnover.
Stop mo muna. Nangyari.
Kaya, change ball muna.
Take ball.
Rep! 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 Rep, ito muna.
Madulas yun.
Gusto lang ko yun. Mamaya ako lang kunin yun. Putang na ako! Dominate pa kasi ginanong ko. Binalik pa ano.
Andaya. Oscar shoot. That's a foul. Foul number 15.
First,
Castillo, that is his first personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus free throw for number 92, Andaya. Completes the three-point play, making the tally 26-8 in favor of Montolite.
Nice pass, nice pass.
14 to shoot. Lazarte. Lazarte touchdown, 2 points. 26-10. 1 minute and 4. Dura. Bad pass, turnover. Ayaw. Dura. Castillo. No. Number 24. Jana. Dura. In and out. Rebound, Andaya. Lead pass. Number 24. Passes his way. Basket is good. That's a foul.
13. First.
Foul on number 13. That is his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus free throw awarded to number 24. Satin.
Lakas, laki niya. Bigat niyan. Hingal na hingal si Longno dyan.
Completes the three-point play.
Si Longno, naghahanap na ng oxygen eh.
26 to
Naghahanap na
13.
siya ng oxygen ng arado. Sabi niya, oxygen boss.
6 seconds.
Ano yan sa bakbakan?
Pusa na papanood si Longno eh.
Pinahirapan din yun sila niya eh. Sila kung sila. Yung abo niya. Yung sa SK final.
Foul number 1, Lazarte.
First.
Only his first personal foul, first team foul. Last 14 seconds remaining in the first period. Lazarte. Satin. All the way, 2 points, 26 to 15.
Tsaka tumatakbo
2
pa.
seconds. And in the first quarter, official score is 26 to 15 in favor of Montolite.
Si Longno eh. Hingal na hingal eh. Naghahanap na ng ano eh. Oxygen eh. Ay.
Hindi na napunta si Kuki.
May tubig dito oh.
Kala ko yung mga naglalaro, hindi pang contest na papipil.
Bibilis no? Condition eh no? Yung lalaki pati eh. Tinang yan. Mga ano eh.
Hindi naman kaya nandun lang sa may lupa.
Ba't hindi na kinuha?
Back to the game. Start of the second
Alam mo,
quarter.
dalim pa rin eh.
Mababaw na.
Number 88 will start the second. Number 9. Same ball with 17 to shoot. Like you said, Cooley. Number 88, 2 points. 26-17. Number 3, Dobrox. Dobroy. The big guy, 2 points, plus a foul. On number 9,
First.
that is his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 38, Bukoy.
Mahiganti eh.
Completes the three-point play is Bukoy, making the tally 29 to 17.
Si Greg Slaughter yun eh. Greg Slaughter.
Art! Bola, Art! Art!
Yokia. Number 9. Tui. Block. What's the result? What's a foul?
Number 88. First.
Number 88, Bettina, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 22, Kukunita.
Number ng 12. 22. Hindi makikita.
No good.
22.
Bettina. Kick out. 3. Pag-reserve. Rocks.
Pizza! Tingnan mo muna!
Cham. Cham. 3.
Cham! 1-3-1! Cham! 1-3-1!
Official score is 31-20. Pag-reserve. Chuaoya. Chuaoya. 3.
Sabihin mo ka sa akin pangalan mo, pre.
Cool.
Nakatakas eh.
13 to shoot. Two points for number 3.
Sabihin mo sa akin pangalan mo.
Valdiser.
Mahaboy.
Garcia. 36 to 20, our official score. 14 to shoot.
No, yan pa.
But there is a foul
Second quarter to, no?
on number 3.
Ilan ang timeout namin? Isa lang.
Bali dalawa na, dalawa.
Dalawa kasi.
Hindi nyo nagamit yung first quarter. Sino nag-foul?
Siya, number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3. Number 3.
Chihuahua.
Alam ko na.
Chihuahua.
Chuawiga, that is his first personal
Rico.
foul.
Chihuahua. Pasok lahat.
Hindi.
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Parang jersey na ganyan.
No good. 1 out of 3. 36-21, our official tally. Lamang pa rin ang Motolight. No. Valdiser, the smallest guy on the floor. Valdiser goes to goal. Oh. But there is a foul on number 2. Rocks.
Sino?
Number 2.
Number 2? Wala nang number 2 dyan eh.
Sa pula.
Ayun pala. Kabila pala. First.
Number 2, only his first personal foul, second team foul. Good on the second. 36-22, with 7 minutes and 22 seconds in the second. Chuawigo.
Cham, sa iya, Cham.
Here's Tui. Tui scores. 36-24. Labing dalawang hinahabol ang Brothers.
Diap lang. Nice one.
Chuawigo.
Nice one.
Sa ilalim.
Ate.
Turnover.
Ate. Cham, gusto ko na.
Medea, eye to eye with Moon. Good defense by Chuawigo. Kick ball, turnover.
Buti na lang. Tumama sa pa.
Lupit na ka. Kita ka, Cham. Yan, kita. Yan.
Ganda ng pagkasundot.
Number 83 to number 88, Tupuli. Bendia. Short. Red ball. Chuawico. Doing the point guard duties for Watong Rotolite. Chuawico. Number 22.
83. First.
But there is no foul on number 83. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Baseline inbound, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Bukoy, the big guy. Naagaw, Tui, Bendia, Tui, Valdicen, Tui, 12 to shoot. Number 83, Spades. That's a foul!
Number 12. First.
Number 12, that is his first personal
Second.
foul.
Second pa lang ito eh.
Second team foul. Bonus free throw for number 83.
Pagang.
Completes the three-point play, making the tally 36 to 27.
Biyak lang, tol! Biyak!
5 minutes and 35. Chuawico. Chuawico! Yes, sir!
Number 5.
Grabe ka talaga!
Rebounds. Plus a foul on number 5.
First.
That is his first personal foul, third team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 3, Chuawico.
Pinagapang eh, no?
Hindi, nasa ilalim din bola, di masundot eh.
Completes the three-point play for Chuawico, making the tally 39 to 27 with 5 minutes and 22 in our second period. Number 9, Chang. Chang, nilapit ng Bagya. Tables by Chang. 39-29. Chuawico loses the handle. Down the field. Last touch of red. Change players. Change players for the teams.
Ayun na. Pumasok na naman yung pandiinan. May laro to oh. Itong number 23. Itong Rayos. Itong 22 ba yun? 23. 27. Ha? 27. Galing. Galing. Saka ang galing maghanap ng bola.
Number 7, Rise. Here's Tula. Tula naman ang bola. Andaya recovers the loose ball. Here is number 7 to number 31.
Foul number 8.
But there is a foul on number
9.
9.
First.
That is his first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws for number 31. Two out of 2 for number 31, making the tally 39-31. Walo na lang ang inahabol ng Team Brothers. Somera, easy 2, 41-31.
Ginanun lang. Wala nang
Salale.
ano.
Out to Andaya, Ronto. No. Rebound, and back 2 points for the big guy. 41-33. Sa ilalim, Somera.
Meron.
Basket.
Ginanun lang. Puto.
Timeout, Brothers.
Wala nang forma-forma yung tira.
Official score is 43-33 in favor of Mopagite with 3 minutes and
Hindi
54
na
seconds
matatapal
remaining
eh.
in the second.
Diretso ako tira eh.
Ako naman talaga eh, wala sa ate-ate eh. Patay ng mama eh.
Hindi ko na kailangan kasi yung ate-ate.
Yun na.
First day.
Hindi ko pa alam. Titignan ko pa.
Habang walang laro.
Titignan ko pa yung ano schedule.
Yun yung magandang pagbakal. Tapos ito, magbasa.
Back to the ball game.
Ang anong yun, ginanong-ganon lang ako. Ano record nila? 1-0.
Andaya. The number 2. 12 to shoot. Salala, number 31. Long ball, put back 2. 43-35. Here is Rayos. Dula. Number 9. Jamal. Andaya. Turnover.
Uling sa ulo eh. Sakto-sakto yung talbog eh. Kahit na ng bola eh.
Sayang.
I-charge lang po.
Rayos. Custodia. So, meron na 2. And 1. On number 31.
Automatic
First.
2 points. Daya.
That is his first personal foul. 1 for penalty. Bonus free throw awarded to number 16, Somera.
Ano naman yan, biglang ganun lang. Hindi na kailangan ng forma. Boom.
Mr. 100%. 46-35. 2 minutes and 51. Sayales. Reverse layup is good. Good play. 46-37. Siya ang kailangan mo ng Rayos. Rayos. Kiabao. Loto.
Biniluon eh.
Andaya. Turnover.
Dami nilang turnover. Gusto ko turnover. Ayun na naman oh. Una na lang, nakabawi. Kung hindi, kung nalingat yun, patay na naman.
Traveling violation. Caught dancing with the wrong pair of shoes is number 71.
Nangyari sa green.
Rayos. Rayos pulls up. Lead on number 21. Here's Lonto. Lonto, number 71. Lonto over to number 2. Get out. Here's Kiambao. Kiambao sa ilalim. So, meron naman.
Favorite ng Kelsey.
48-37.
Palo ha.
Pangaban. Lonto tumanaban. 58 to shoot. Ready on number 31, put back 2. Ayaw. Rayos.
Ay no, tatalig mo.
Rayos, Kiambao. Gets his own miss. Kiambao second try. Wala. Number 7. 2-on-2 break. Number 7. Pangaban. Pulls up. 2 points. 48-39 with 45 seconds remaining in the second. 15 to shoot. Kiambao. Turnover. Rescue between Dula and Kiambao. Here's Pangaban. Stolen by Dula. Dula gives it to Somera.
Time out.
Timeout, Brothers. Official score is 50-39 in favor of Monolite with 22.4 seconds remaining in the second.
Andiyan dyan si Gerson. Si Gerson, bigyan natin. Baka andiyan dyan lang yun. Nagtatago lang yun. Kasi kakilala niyo. Kendo pa.
Back to the ball game.
Pag yan ang nakalaban mo.
Hindi, hindi ba kami, siyempre, hindi ganun. Magkakapapak yan.
Ayun, naman. Matik yun.
Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. So now
Sayang.
the second quarter.
Gusto niya!
Official score is 15 to 59.
Nagmintis ka na!
Oh, tanginang yun. Sila lang nakakascore.
Eh, umarang yung malaki. Nagmintis talaga. Ang laki ng umata. Poste yung umarang eh.
21 points agad. Sumera.
You know? Sarala.
Yun oh.
Yeah, gawin mo na.
Game.
Back to the ball game.
I-shooter eh. Ito yung nagpaano ng bako.
Kaya nga, first quarter.
Tatlong sunod.
For 3 points. Green. Ha? Tama ba? Green. Di ko sumaintindihan yung araw mo eh. Red ba yan?
Pag dito kaya, red. Pag dito,
Sige.
pag PBA.
O, liman.
Tula to start the third. Serapica steal, Tula sa third, 2 points.
Play na naman sila.
Tula, to all bonuses. But there is a foul
Number 0.
on number 0.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Siko, kitang-kita.
Doy, ikaw.
Kahit kami dito sa malayo,
Logo
kita
number
namin
first
Siko.
is Jana.
Eh, sama mo sa highlight sheet ko yan. Para makita nila.
Good on the second, splitting the charity, making the tally 51 to 41.
Isang dalawa, isa lang.
9.5. Lazarte. Serapica. 15 to shoot. Ole.
Patay ka dyan, basahe ka dyan.
Sakit.
Nakabawi rin.
10 seconds to shoot. 10 on the shot clock.
Wrong.
So he scores. 51. Turnover.
Si Buboy. Ano? Buboy?
Kuli. Ole. No. Buboy. Taagaw. Here is a beat. But there is a foul
Number 10.
on number 10, Jana.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul.
Sinundot niya eh.
20 seconds on the shot clock for Brothers.
Walang eh.
Lazarte receives. Over to Ole. Ole, blocked. Here's Tula. 2-on-2 break. Tula. To Amigo. Buboy. In and out. Serapico. Satin. Easy two. No. There is a loose ball foul on number
13.
13. Or
First.
that is his first personal foul,
Second.
second team foul. Satin. 2 points for Tuli. 51-45. Ating na lang, pinakot ng Brothers. With 8 minutes exactly remaining in the third. Chuawigo, 12 to shoot. Alley violation. Caught doing the cha-cha is number 10. Turnover. Tui. Lasarte to Ole. 15 on the shot clock. Sakin at the post.
Patay!
Lasarte.
Ah!
51-48. Tatlo na ang pinahabol ng Brothers. With 7 minutes and 18 seconds in the third. 15 on the shot clock. Ole, rebound. Lagaw. Chuawigo. To Jana. Swat it away.
Time out!
Get that out of here.
Time out! Time out! Motolite!
Timeout, Motolite. Official score is 51-48 in favor of Motolite with 7 minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the third.
Bago ng depensa. Hindi kinaya ng 1-3-1-2 zone. Hindi kinaya. Nagpalit ah.
Game toy!
Back to the ball game.
Jelas Sumera. Jalen Lason.
Kaya! Nagbintis ka na isa. Yung 3 yun na yun eh. Kuya, 3 yun yun sila eh.
Tatlo yan eh.
14 to shoot. Logan. Bowie. Greenwald.
Naka,
Substitution.
jumper steal. Ang dami bilang teta nung nakaraan eh.
Castillo in, Chuawigo out. Here comes Kui. Kui. Lonto. Smooth. 51-50. Dula. Isa na lang kalawa. Bumoy. Somera.
Pangalawa na
Castillo. Somera.
Bumawi!
Dalawa na yun. Bilangin ko yun. Ano?
Oy! Score na! Scorean mo oy! Baliktad na yata yan!
Ole, ole.
Check lang. Nawag na sila.
Kui. Go. Somera. Somera lays out. Rebound number 7. Malawan. After 6 minutes. Selafico. But there is a foul on number 8. Dula.
Kaya sasab ka ba?
Sab-sab!
Substitution.
Kasama ka dito yan.
First!
Dula, that is his first personal foul. 13 foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 14, Serafico.
Ito ayusin mo yung sa score to ya! Yari tayo dyan!
Third quarter na pala.
Logo of the second. 53-51.
Shot lang. Sa 24.
5 minutes and 49. Malakas. Castillo po. Nakapuno nila ng 31. Serafico, the open break. Serafico. No.
Nice.
Second two is good for Serafico. We are all tied up at 53 with 5 minutes and 26. Here is Jana. Castillo.
Patay.
Points. 55-53.
Clay Thompson.
Balik sa dalawang naman. Andaya. Andaya now scored to Serafico. 15 to shoot. Andaya. 8 to shoot. Somera. Dula. Somera. Scores 57-53.
Nakita ko na.
Isa.
Dura. Ikaw, Castillo. Andaya. Clear is Rayos.
Stroke full.
Rayos. Dura. Viva Andaya. Ceramico.
Huli ka.
Castillo. 57 all. Under 4 minutes. Rayos. Jana. Castillo. Rebound Mangawan.
Ano?
Lotto. Lotto to Mangawan. No. Mangawan recover. Ceramico. Stepping on the baseline.
Sab.
Substitution.
Pasok! Labas lahat ng lalabas!
Di ba alam ang day?
Dura. Jana. Sumera.
Pablay ka pa ulit.
Tagaw. Castillo. Hard to shoot. Andaya. Mangawan. Tagaw. Dura. But there is a foul on number 92, Andaya. Duty foul.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
Second.
Team foul.
Narit, di din yung call mo. Din yun eh.
14 mo, lagay mo sa 14. Lagay mo sa 14. Kasi nasa kabilang linya na eh.
Rayos. Over to Cham. Cham stops. Up. Scores. Ako pa. Here's Andaya. Controlling the tempo of the ball game. Andaya playing point guard. Sayari. Cham. 14 on the shot clock. One pass. Tagaw. Somera. But there is a team foul on Andaya.
Daya.
To back fouls, that is his second personal foul, third team foul. Timeout! Motolai.
Wala na timeout yun. Wala na timeout yun.
Pasok yan.
Official scores 59 to 57 in favor of Brothers with 2 minutes and 17 in the third.
Wala na yung zoom ka.
Magandang laban eh.
Balik.
Back to the ball game.
Ang daya. Pangalawang foul nila na. 92. 14 mo to eh. Sa gitna eh.
Dula. Rayos. Gambal. Dula. In and out. Rebound number 31. Pangawan set to Lomon. Lotto. Pangawan. Lotto. Cham. 13 shoot. Andaya. Fakes. 10 to shoot. Wahoo! Maganda! Highlight reel. 61-57.
Ang ganda nun!
Here is Gamal. Castillo, 2 points. 61-59. Here's Mangawan. On the top of the key, 15 to shoot. Cham. Lotto. 10 to shoot. Cross court. Number 31. Muscles his way. Kick out. Number 2.
Ano?
Gambal, 64-59.